Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Um, so today I thought we will look at a new uh, control or new view in SwiftUI uh, 2.0 that was released. Basically, it's called ScrollViewReader. It's not a view actually; it's sort of like a container, and the ability that it provides is basically a proxy that allows you to jump between sections. So, scroll to a section functionality. So if you have like a really long list in the scroll view and you want to scroll to certain sections and stuff like that, in SwiftUI 1.0 you'd have to either implement a custom functionality or rely on UI stack view or UI scroll view rather to basically implement that functionality. But in iOS 14, Apple introduced ScrollViewReader, and a ScrollViewReader gives you access to a ScrollView proxy, which allows you to basically jump between different sections. So we're gonna take a look how we can do that in this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm gonna do for this video, basically, we'll create a sample shopping list view, which is gonna have like a bunch of items, and we're gonna jump around on that. Okay, so let's say struct shopping list view. It's gonna have some items. We're gonna map on these items, and we're just simply gonna print shopping that item that we are actually um, yeah, like that. Okay, so we're gonna have that, and then we're gonna have our body, and this body is going to have a scroll view and a lazy v stack. Gonna gonna create a for each inside, and this for each is going to have collection of items id by self. Okay, you're gonna get a item in this, and we're gonna create our view for this. So I'm just simply gonna put item into a text and add a divider like that. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look how this looks. Okay, so this is all of our items in the lazy v stack. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to create a search bar at the top. Okay, so for that we are going to need a state variable, and then we're going to create a scroll view reader, and we're going to surround our view inside scroll view reader, because this gives us a proxy that actually provides the functionality that we're looking for. So I'm going to create a h stack as well, where we're going to create a search bar, and this h stack is going to have a text field. Okay, I'm going to take the overload that takes a string, so I'm going to say search here, and for the binding we're going to say search. Okay, and we're also going to have a button, and this button is going to have a label as go, and basically we're going to scroll when the button is pressed to a section. So you're going to say scroll to, and you can scroll to an ID, which is what we can do, but you can also scroll to an anchor if you have created an anchor, and that's actually a unit point. Okay, so we're going to use the ID, and we are simply going to take this, and instead of $0, I'm going to say search here. Okay, and I want to add some padding to this in horizontal direction of about 20 points, and add a divider between these two views like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh our view. So there you go, we have our search bar, our go button, and list. So I'm going to run this, and we are going to type, for example, let's say 88, and I'm going to click go, and there you go, 88 is gonna appear right there. 100, if I say 10, there you go, 10, 1, 55. So just like that, you can scroll to a certain section in the scroll view if you have like a long list with ScrollViewReader. So yeah, so this is it for this video, and hopefully you like the video. I will see you guys in next video. Thanks again for watching.